Hi, I'm Kenan. In this video, I will show you how to disassemble an inflatable boat in 3 minutes. First, remove caps on the boat and take oars off. Do not forget to put all caps back on. This will prevent the PVC body from scratching by the bolt. Disassemble the oar by pressing the button in the middle. Then, slide the bench off. This can be really hard if the air chambers are full, but you can punch it both sides to take it off. Now, it's time to leak all air out. By pressing the button in the middle of the valves, air will come out just in seconds. Remove floor lock bars by pulling it outwards. Lift plate number 3 and take it out from the boat. Now, you can remove all floorboards one by one. Then, fold the boat like shown. Remember, tighter folds will make the package smaller. So please make sure all air was squeezed out before folding. Once the boat is folded, place it at the center of the bag. Cover the boat up and tie all 5 straps. Finally, the boat is packed and ready to go.